Hi everybody, welcome. Today I have Sony SRS-XV500 speaker and I'm going to tell you all the features on this speaker. Now I will open some music on my phone, for example this NCS music over here. And now, as you can see, the plus button is increasing the volume. Let me show you this on the slider over here. Look at this slider, and I'm now touching plus. Now I'm decreasing the volume level. With the minus, which is over here. If I tap this button over here, we are going to pause and play our volume level, per minute level, the music. If we double tap on this, we can go to the next song and triple tap to the previous one. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.